Blueberry plant, agroplant.org. So this shrub or subshrub, depends the cultivars that you grow, can grow from, let's say, 30 to 3 meters, so it's mean 1 to 10 feet. You probably know a lot about this plant, so if you would like to grow it, there is a link below, and just click and buy it. Okay, so some information about it. So first, as you know, or if you don't know, I live in a hardiness zone from 10B to 11A. So it means it's a little bit problematic. Except this soil, it's another issue. That here the soil are not very acid, and mostly it's become alkaline because of the water. The water contain a lot of calcer or something like this. Don't really recall the name. Calcer, I'm pretty sure about it. So how to grow it? So if you cannot give all the ingredient to grow it, it may grow, but it won't bring you fruit. And this is, of course, I think the most important thing. And the reason that I get a lot of fruits, it's first because I give it the right condition. So the right condition can be very, very different between place to place and between the cultivars. So full sun will be if you grow it in a cold area. Full sun, it's very important. In this area, because of the summer that can burn the leaves, I would say almost you can half shade but the best it will be 75% of sun. This will grow the best and will bloom the best. Without this, it may bloom, but the fruit will fall. Another thing that you should know is the acid soil. So not everybody have acid soil, so you need to just help it a little bit. You can put vinegar with water. Of course, never put it so much concentrate. And you should measure. There is a little machine that you can check. I didn't show something that cost in normal price very accurate, but I will search and I will also put your link down. Another thing is mulch. Very important to put mulch. For this I use mulch of pines. I'm assuming that next to your house probably there is pine tree somewhere. Just go collect some pines and put it. It's first there is two things that it keep. One, it's the humidity and the moist of the soil, and the second, it helps to make it more acid. So this is another method to make it acid. Of course, you can put chemical in order to make it more acid, but I use pines and vinegar, of course, mixed with water. Another thing that it's very important, it's iron. You should add iron. You can see it in the leaves. If the leaves don't look very beautiful and there is a little marks on them, mostly brown, this means that you are missing some iron. So it's something that you should also consider. Chilling hours, of course, if you have it. I don't have it, and it still produce. So depends the cultivars. There is cultivars are more suitable for hot climate than the others that also can grow in 10B to 11. And if, of course, you live in a colder area, choose a variety that can grow in your area. So the main problem with blueberries, it's viruses. It's driving crazy. Of course, in the moment that you have virus, you cannot do a lot. If you have plants that got attacked by virus, just grow it far away from the others, give some space, and take care that the pests from, like aphids and other things that move from plant to plant won't really pass. Try to make it more sterile area. Except this water, I grow it in a pot, so it's more easy to maintain the amount of water that I put. But if you grow it in the garden, average to big amount, it will be enough. If you grow it in a pot, you can put something under the pot in order to see if there is enough water. If it's take all the water and it's always dry, so you know that you need more. Except this, it's something that it's possible to grow. If you live in the area, it's just easier to grow. If you live where I live, it's harder. That's all from growplants.org. Don't forget to subscribe, visit our website, and like this video. If you have any questions, just ask, or you would like a video, also you can ask. Check for more video, follow us on Twitter, and of course you have here a link to buy the plants that we talk about, and also down.